Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, hope you are doing well. Let us reflect today's verse of the Holy Quran from Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 156. Allah mentioned in the Holy Quran, Alladhina idha ashabatuhum musiba. Those who, when a calamity strikes them, qalu inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. They say, indeed we belong to Allah and to Him is our final return. It's a very famous verse of the Holy Quran, my brothers and sisters, and most of the time people recite this dua when someone passes away, We recite this dua that we belong to Allah and to Him is our final return. But if we truly understand this verse, my brothers and sisters, life will be much, much easier for us. Because this verse of the Holy Quran teaches us the highest level of sabr, the highest level of sabr. Most of the time when we say this dua, my brothers and sisters, or when we say this verse of the Holy Quran, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un, it's not particularly for one occasion. It's not only when someone passes away and then we have to recite this dua. This dua basically is part of our life. Any problem, my brothers and sisters, any challenges or any difficulties we having in our life, we should recite this verse of the Holy Quran, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Every single thing belongs to Allah Almighty. When we say inna lillah, we belong to Allah. So basically we are admitting that nothing we have truly belongs to us. We are not even owner of our own self, my brothers and sisters. Hence the reason we say, Wallahu ala kulli shayin qadir. Allah has power, Allah has control over every single thing. He is the true owner of every single thing, my brothers and sisters. So this inna lillah, basically this phrase, changes the mindset that nothing belongs to us, our wealth, our family, our status, whatever we possess in our life belongs to Allah. We are just temporary owner, my brothers and sisters. And some people say that this was mine, it should not have been taken. This verse teaches us, or this verse of the Holy Quran corrects that thinking that no, if something belongs to Allah, He can take it anytime. I always say that our own self, my brothers and sisters, it doesn't belong to us. If it belongs to you, just stop your heart. You can't. We have no control over our own self, let alone having control on any other thing, my brothers and sisters. So this dua teaches us that anytime we pass through some difficulty, any time we pass through some challenges in our life, or some situations that become out of control, just remember this verse, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Every single thing belongs to Allah. If Allah can give you, He can also take away. And if He takes away, my brothers and sisters, something from you, always remember that He is going to open another door for you in this world. He is not going to leave you alone and you struggling in your life and stuff like that. If Allah takes away something, He will replace you with something better. So when we say wa inna ilayhi raji'un, my brothers and sisters, it reminds us that life is not random or meaningless. Everything moving towards one destination, and that is Allah Almighty. So we make this dua, my brothers and sisters, that Allah Almighty grant us sabr in our life, patience in our life, because this ayah of the Holy Quran teaches calmness in our life. Just be calm. If something happening in your life, just be calm and recite this dua. Everything belongs to Allah, my brothers and sisters. This teaches us the highest level of sabr. So we make dua that Allah Almighty include our name among those who have sabr in their life. Ameen. Bijahi Nabiyil Ameen sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.